Hello everyone and welcome back to Destined Learning. In this session we're going to explore an essential data structure in Python, tuples. Tuples are similar to lists but come with an important twist. They are immutable, meaning their content cannot be changed once it's created. This makes tuples ideal for strong data that should remain constant throughout the program. Whether you're working with configuration values, coordinates, or group data, tuples offer a reliable and efficient way to manage information. Get ready to learn how to create, access, and work with tuples as we dive into this powerful Python feature. Let's go ahead and get started. Tuples in Python are a key data structure for grouping items into immutable collections. Unlike lists, tuples cannot be modified after creation, making them memory efficient and ideal for maintaining data integrity. Tuples are immutable sequences in Python that can store multiple data types. They support operations like indexing, slicing, concatenation, and repetition. Common use cases include grouping related data, passing multiple values between functions, and serving as keys in dictionaries. Tuples in Python have three characteristics. Single element tuples need a trailing comma. They preserve the order of elements and are immutable, meaning their contents cannot be changed. A tuple is an ordered collection of any data type defining using parentheses separated by commas. Single element tuples, as mentioned before, need a trailing comma. Tuples in Python are used for storing immutable data, returning multiple values from functions, and as keys in dictionaries due to their hashable nature. They're also ideal for grouping related data and are more memory efficient compared to lists. Here's the code to create a tuple in Python. You can access tuple elements using their indexing, whether you refer to their position, and slicing, where you extract a subset of elements. In Python, tuples can contain other tuples or collections as elements, allowing for nested structures. Here's the code to iterate over a tuple in Python using a for loop. Tuples in Python allow you to assign multiple values at once, known as packing, and easily extract them, known as unpacking. Here's the code to check membership in a tuple in Python. And here is an example of using tuples as dictionary keys. Here's an example of how you can return multiple values from a function using tuples. Here's an example of how you can concatenate tuples and also use repeated tuples. The zip function in Python pairs elements from two or more tuples when creating a new tuple with these paired elements. Tuples in Python support two main methods, count and index. The count method occurs of an element, while the index method returns the first occurrence index. Tuples have limitations such as immutability, meaning they cannot be modified once created, and fewer built-in methods compared to lists, which limits their flexibility and functionality. Mastering tuple operations like packing and unpacking and slicing is crucial for writing clean and efficient Python code. Use tuples in functions and dictionaries for better organization and data management. In summary, tuples in Python are immutable ordered collections ensuring data integrity. They're ideal for storing configurations, representing records, and serving as dictionary keys. While less flexible than lists, tuples are more memory efficient and hashable. Well, that wraps up our session on tuples in Python. Today we explored how tuples differ from lists with their immutability, making them perfect for storing fixed data. You've learned how to create, access, and use tuples effectively in your Python programs, whether for constants, group data, or more. Thanks for learning with Destined Learning. If you like this video, please sure and click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's it for now. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.